can be fun and a good idea, but Dr. Sears, when should parents start to worry? When is it time to hand your kids a fork, knife, and spoon?
Well, the best, take cues from your baby. Sometime between 9 months, 10, 12 months, somewhere in there, your child's going to be watching you eat and start trying to grab the fork from you. Because babies want to copy mommy and daddy, right?
Yes.
That's what they do. So when they start grabbing for your fork, that's when it's time. Okay, they're saying, "Hey, I want to do that too." Now, your fork's going to be dangerous for them because it's going to be sharp. So you want to use a nice soft utensil, baby utensil. And these are ones I love. These are by MoMA, and it's got a round handle, so it's easier for babies like to just grab things with a fist.
Yeah.
They don't have the dexterity because they can just grab this with a fist. And just, it's almost like however they grab it, it's still going to work. They're very soft, so they're not going to hurt. And when they drop them, they wobble, they'll stay up.
So
the eating surface won't be on the floor. It stays cleaner that way.
Oh, my gosh, that's a great idea. And they have little tops and everything.
Yep,
that's a great beginner to start with.